Welcome back, guys. Johnny Trades here, and we're doing a recap on our FFIE trade from today, September 4th, 2024. So if you want to see that live stream where we were able to take this trade and lock in profits within the first 30 minutes of our live stream at market open, definitely check out that video. So here we go. So we're going to talk about our recap here. We made over $98.96 on this one company. Realized was $103 on the day. We did get up to as high as $125. Took a couple of small little losses on a couple of other stocks, and when we saying small, it was like $8, $10, $12. So it wasn't a heck of a lot of money on those other trades. And yeah, so we're going to talk about this one real quick. Now, looking at the 30-second chart, you can see here clearly there was a 5 resistance. We're going to put that as a red line. And FFIE came up on the scanner when we were looking at some other companies. We were looking at WiSA today, and we did trade WiSA. We made another $26 on WiSA around, I want to say, around open. Let me see here. Let me go back a little bit. Right here. So we bought WiSA at $2.13 and sold right here at $2.40. Could have did a little bit of a better job, as soon as I sold it, it went up to $2.99, which resulted in missing out on over $50 on top of this in profit. So I've been $75, but nonetheless, we did manage to be able to trade that. Now, I was trading out at the time, and when I was trading it and talking in our live stream, I noticed that FFIE did come up on our scanner. Now, there is a couple different scanners you can get. We have our screener top gainer of pre-market, and this is what I was watching. I was looking at WiSA this morning. I was looking at Wint. It's funny how you could pronounce them like that. I was looking at WISA. I was looking at WINT CNFR, and I was looking at another company that isn't on here anymore, and that's what they had for pre-market. And then once market opened, I switched over to the 1 day, and WISA was still on there. FFIE pushed up from really bottom level. I even tried to trade ASST, and I don't believe I resulted in anything. No, I didn't actually trade it actually. So could have made a little bit of money on that as well. So going back to FFIE, it did come up in my scanners, and I was like, okay, cool. Let's see if we can get into a position. I did buy 100 shares at $3.93. So I figured if it went down to these 344 levels, that's a good support. I would have loved to have get in at that 344 level, but seeing how it was going up, it had clear signs of upward momentum. It was above those moving averages, as well as some green candles very low here, some small green candles. It's like, okay, let's take a chance on it. 100 shares wasn't much. It was 100 shares at $3.93. It was like 393 bucks. It wasn't a lot of money. Now, when it broke out and it hit this candle here after just a few minutes, this was 30-second candle. So on the 1 minute candle, you'll see basically where I bought and sold, right? But I sold in the same candle at that 5 mark. So I sold 50 shares at $4.81, and then 50 shares at $5.04. Now, if I would have sold the other 50 shares for that 20 cents, that would have been really nice. That would have been additional money, about $10 or so. Would have been up about $110, $120. Now, we did sell those at that $5 mark because we seen this line here, and as soon as this green, well, that's why I had the 30-second chart up. And guys, we go live every single day at market open, so you can watch me trade live and actually see exactly why I bought in. Trade along with me, share your ideas, and kind of talk with the community that join our live streams every morning at market open, and kind of get a little bit more involved with trading and maybe even become a more profitable trader yourself. So our new average is around $100 a day. That is our new average on this small account. And guys, look at this. We're trading with less than $400. Made me $100 today. I didn't do anything special. I made one trade. I bought 100 shares at $3.93. I sold at 50 shares at $4.81, which was $481. And I sold 50 shares at $5.04, which would have been $504. So if I would have just held all 100 shares from 393 to 504, that would have been a very nice amount of money. Still locked in a nice amount of profit here, 98.96. Now this went up actually even more. It went up to $6.48. So knowing that it hit this resistance, this was unclear. Now it did this for about 3 or 4 minutes before it broke up and before it broke out and went up higher, resulting in missing out on another $150 on top of $100. So imagine making $250 in profit with a simple $400 trade. You made more than 50% in profit on your investment in less than, let's go to the 1 minute here. I'd say less than 30 minutes. 18 bars, so 18 minutes. You could have made $250 in profit in 18 minutes. And that's what I did here. I made $100 in profit. Whoa, what happened? My WeBull crashed. We still going? Yeah? Cool. Give me a second here, guys. That was weird. That was really, really weird. Unless the internet went out. We have Starlink coming soon. Starlink is coming soon, guys. My internet. My internet is messing up. Technical difficulties. All right, well, nonetheless, guys, that's our recap for the day. Having some technical difficulties here at the end, but Starlink is on its way. Should be here by the middle of next week. It'd be nice if it was here already, but hey, nonetheless, we're gonna be getting Starlink. It's gonna be like 100 megabytes a second compared to like maybe 20 megabytes a second, which is what I'm currently running. And before I lived here, I was only getting maybe 1 or 2 megabytes a second. So slowly upgrading and improving the quality overall for not only us, but all of you as well out there watching this. So definitely tune in, subscribe to the channel. I wanted to showcase a couple other things to you, but hey, that's where we'll end it. If you want to learn more about how you can be a profitable day trader, swing trader, or just investor overall in the stock market, then definitely subscribe to the channel, smash the notification bell, and also smash that like button. Let me know if we're doing good here with these videos. So appreciate your time. Thank you, and we'll see you all tomorrow at market open. We will be trading live, so definitely check it out. Remember, that's all in the year on a green note. Thank you, guys, and